The 27-year-old pacer was taken to the cleaners on his debut by the likes of Jamie Smith, Jacob Bethel, Joe Root, and Jos Buttler as England plundered 414 runs in their 50 overs, batting first in the ODI series dead rubber in Southampton. After South Africa sealed the series, it was time for their bowlers to go the distance as they rested their spearhead Lungi Ngidi and didn't bring back Kagiso Rabada since the assignment was already done. The 27-year-old Codi Yusuf, having made his Test debut in July against Zimbabwe, was handed his ODI cap, and it wasn't the most auspicious one as England of 2016-2019 was on show on Sunday at the Rose Bowl, plundering 414 runs off their 50 overs. Similar to the beating England's Sonny Baker got on his debut in the series opener at Headingley, England batters Jamie Smith, Jacob Bethel, Joe Root, and Jos Buttler were particularly severe on the debutant Yusuf, who ended up conceding 80 runs in his 10 overs and didn't even get off the mark in his career. Yusuf ended up bowling the worst spell for a Proteas debutant in ODIs, leapfrogging Dewan Olivier, who had conceded 73 against Pakistan back in 2019. 080 Codi Yusuf vs ENG, Southampton 2025 273 Dewan Olivier vs PAK, Kebra 2019 172 Keshav Maharaj vs ENG, Southampton 2017 472 Queen Mafaka vs PAK, Cape Town 2024 not just Yusuf, Nandre Berger, Corbin Bosch, Wyan Mulder. Everyone took a pasting as England batters were in some really good and destructive mood on a very good pitch in Southampton. While Bethel slammed his maiden century in professional cricket, Root also brought up his 19th century in the format. The quick-fire 50s from Smith and Buttler ensured that they pushed the score beyond 400 for England. This was the second time that the South African bowlers were taken for over 400 runs in a series dead rubber in a span of 15 days, as Australia inflicted the same pain on the Proteas in Mackay a couple of weeks ago. While South Africa did got past 100 that day, Sunday was even worse as the visitors suffered the heaviest defeat in ODI history, with England winning the